Here's a green beverage you might like. It's easy to make and can be consumed every morning. It aids in the deodorization of your body and feces, as well as providing various other health benefits. A green drink is a potent beverage that can aid in the detoxification of your intestines and blood. This beverage maintains your colon, as well as the rest of your body, working better and longer. Green beverages made with powders come in a variety of flavors. However, the green drink served here is comprised entirely of liquid chlorophyll, which has numerous health benefits. It has the ability to neutralize chemicals that induce cell mutations while also strengthening the small intestine and colon cell walls. It has a powerful deodorizing effect on both your body and your stools during bowel movements. On an empty stomach, sip the green drink first thing in the morning. This aids in the activation of your colon and the stimulation of bowel movement. This is how to make a green drink. Add 1 to 2 ounces of pure liquid chlorophyll into an empty glass. You may want to start with a tablespoon or 2. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the glass. Fill the glass with 8 ounces of distilled water. Drink the combination completely. Because chlorophyll has an unpleasant dull and blank flavor, lemon juice should be added to it. You can add other nutrients or drinks to this green drink if you wish to work on other health conditions. You can also add a few drops of oxygen elements plus, which is beneficial for constipation and helps your gut detoxify even more. Alkalife, an alkaline water booster that adds minerals to your drink, is an option. This chlorophyll drink aids in the improvement of blood test results. The blood starts to thin out. They allow for more oxygen to enter the cells. The number of blood cells in their bodies increases. If you like lemon juice, this is a drink that you will want to drink every morning. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.